Yes, this is Gurpreet, this side, and I'm going to introduce a very beautiful poem that the name is Road Not Taken. And I'll just give a little summary of it within 2 minutes. It's written by Robert Frost, and he was a American poet, and he was connected to the nature. He wrote so many poems regarding nature, and he was very much interested and influenced by Wordsworth. Wordsworth was another poet who was interested in nature, and he used to write a lot of poems for nature and the philosophical areas of life, which we forget in day to day routine, day to day life. So, today I'm going to introduce you that poem that is Road Not Taken. In this poem, the poet Robert Frost has introduced us how to live the life beautifully. What is the art of living life? He wrote, first of all, he had a habit whenever he has to write a poem or a novel or anything, any piece of art, he used to go to the places which are not taken, which are not trodden easily, which are very remote. I mean, remote areas. So, Robert Frost went to a remote area which has a forest, and he saw yellow forest with yellow leaves, and it has all the yellow color all over, and it gave a very pleasant scenery and a pleasant feeling with emotions to the poet. So he wrote that poem, Road Not Taken. Now there are few lines which I want to share with you of this poem. In this poem, he just gave a brief of one thing to us: how to live life beautifully, how to live life with art. That is, it is in our hands how to live life. Some people they choose a path which everybody has walked on, but some people choose a different path that has not been taken, that has not been trodden, that has not been used. They explore, they experiment, they go different way. That is the way of life of Robert Frost. So Robert Frost, when went to the forest, he stood at one place. He looked at two roads. The one road was very beautiful. All the people used to go from there. It connected to the forest, and the forest connected to the dark forest, the deep forest. Flowers there was there, trees were there, and on the other hand, there was a road which was secluded, which people dreaded to go. So he chosen that path, and he was not afraid of it. He said, whatever decision you take in life, just go through it and believe in yourself. And he chose the path which is not taken. So let's say that Road Not Taken is a poem which tells us how to go through life and how to choose and how to make decisions, because your decisions are actually the path breakers of your life. The whatever decisions you take in life, those decisions make your life. They are path breakers or they are maker of your life. It all depends upon your decisions. So in this, so let's say, so right now I'm reading few lines of Robert Frost poet. Just a sec.